Hey folks, welcome back to Technique. I'm Flynn, your packaging expert. We're continuing our series on pharmaceutical packaging, and we're going to start tackling a pretty big topic today, one that we have a lot of experience in. That's pharmaceutical cartoning. It's a pretty big topic. We're going to end up having to split it up over multiple videos. Today, we're going to start with an example of pharmaceutical carton, a project that we handled for a large pharmaceutical customer of ours. We're going to take a look at the carton, at the components, kind of the different pieces that you'll see in a typical pharmaceutical application. And then from there, in future videos, we'll break down the specific details of the items that we're talking about. So here's our carton. You can see just a standard rectangular paperboard carton. Some important components here. You can see this is a tuck closure carton, and so we've got a tamper-evident label on the top so that the end user can tell whether that carton has been opened. Now at the bottom, instead of just using another label, another transparent label like this, we've got a printed label that's got a barcode on it, and we actually use that to help identify the carton. We'll talk about some verification processes in future videos because, again, that's a very important aspect of pharmaceutical cartoning. Let's take a look inside and see what we've got. In this one, we've just got two components. One, we've got the medical device that's being packaged. You can see that this one also has a little barcode on it, and that barcode, again, is something that we verify. And then we've got a leaflet. Directions for use or instructions for use, DFU, IFU, are also terms that you'll hear for these. In some cases, these are pre-folded. This is an example of that. So when this leaflet is delivered to our machine, it's already folded. For other projects, we'll actually take an unfolded piece of paper, fold it on the cartoning machine before we load it. And you can see we've also got a barcode here. So we're, again, confirming that this is the correct leaflet. It matches what we're expecting before we assemble it all and put it into the carton. So the process is we take our product, we take our leaflet, we put them together, we open up or erect the carton from a flat blank, insert it, close the end flaps, and there you have it. Assuming that all the verification matches, that the barcodes on each individual component all look good to each other, we push it out of the machine. Could be for manual case packing. We can also provide automated case packing and even palletizing equipment if desired. But that's what gets us our finished pharmaceutical carton. As I said, in future videos, we are going to take a closer look at each of those components, the labeling, the verification, the different parts and pieces that go in here. Please join us for those. Like and subscribe on YouTube if you haven't already. Make sure you get the latest videos as soon as they're released. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, X, Facebook. We release our videos there as well, and you can get those as soon as they come out also. I'm Flynn for Technique. I appreciate you joining us today, and we will see you next time.